Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is very important if you are struggling to find some copyright free images, some copyright free videos which should be in good quality, and you want to use them commercially on your website, on your YouTube channel, or any other online sources. Uh, as you know, many of the people, like if you are a YouTuber, if you are running a website or any other online network, you may be facing a problem, like from where you can get good quality images. Like if you want to elaborate something, if you want to show something, to show some place, to show some people, to show some activity, you need some good images. But unfortunately, when we search online, majority of the images we find, these have some copyright issues. You cannot use those images as a for commercial purpose. One of the main one of the biggest source of images is Google Images. You can also search very good quality and different images with different dimensions, images with different quality. You can filter them out, you can use them, but yeah, when it comes to a commercial purpose, you cannot use Google Images as a commercial for commercial purpose. Like if you open some Google Images, like you search anything, like if you search seas, like you will have a lot of pictures, you will have a lot of images of seas. But if you want to find the images which are copyright free, it will be quite difficult for you. If you want to find out some free images, most of the images will have copyright issues. You cannot use them for commercial purpose. You can have a copyright claim. So and the other thing, you can find free sources. You can download some free images, but at the same time you will face another problem, and that problem is those images will have some watermark of the creator of that image, or watermark of that website. You cannot use them. Definitely, if you are using them on your website, on your YouTube channel, or somewhere else, definitely it will be shown that you have picked that image from that source. So quality is an issue. Today I'm gonna tell you a really an interesting website where you can find million and billions of the free images, free videos, which are of very good quality, and these are absolutely free. All you need to do is just to give them credit that you are using their images, you are using their videos. All just need to do, you just need to give them credit, nothing else. And there are some paid sources as well over there, but yeah, if you are not going to pay, if you are not willing to pay, it's fine, you can use them. You can use their free stock. So that website is pexels.com. That website is pexels.com. Simply, it's very easy to use. There are a lot of search options. Like, first of all, when you will open this website, you will have an interface like this. And if you want to, this is home page. Like, there are some suggestions, like it will be showing their free stock videos, their stock photos, like this. These are totally free. These are the stock photos. And if you want to discover some specific photo, like you can see the 4K photos, cute baby, beautiful animal, nature, life, Facebook cover, baby. These are their hot search. Like, maybe if you're using before that, you can have your recommended images for you. And there are if you want to search on the basis of photography topics, you can also search like it is about natural photography, it's about food, it's about people, or anything else. If you want some good backgrounds, you can also search cover photos and backgrounds for any purpose what you want to use. If you want to search out by color, you can also search out by color, like you can select red or green or blue or yellow or white, black, any color you want to choose. And uh, and there are some photo challenges, there are some contests. If you can if you want to uh, if you want to participate in any kind of contest, you can also participate in the contest. Simply you just need to upload your photo. And it's healthy collection, it's about healthy food, it's about cleansing, it's about detoxification, it's about healthy lifestyle. And if you want to see photographers interviews, you can also see their interviews. If you want to see sea collection, art collection, there are drink collections, there are a lot of things which are customized, which are present in the form of some specific list. You can simply if you have some topic in your mind, you can simply search them out on by their like title. Okay. There are free videos. Simply you just need to put here, like if you want to search C. So these are photos of C, like this. Okay. If you want to search out photos, you can also search photos of C. If you want to search videos, you can search videos of C. And if you want to see what are users, which people are uploading these kind of pictures, you can also search them by the people. Okay. The next thing, just give me a second. Okay. Okay. Here is another option. Like if you want to join this website, simply you will click join on the right top. And then you will just put that whether you want to download pictures or you want to contribute, you want to upload your own pictures. If you want to simply download, you can sign up from this left side. And if you want to upload your pictures, you can do it from this side, from the right side. And like if I want to publish, if I want to contribute, like if I click here, there are two options. Like you can simply join by through your Facebook account. Simply you have to share on your Facebook that you are using pixels.com. And after that, or maybe you can use you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email, your password, and simply click on create new account, and all that is done. You can simply sign up account like this. Okay. After signing to your account, simply you will come to search bar. If you want to if you want to search out C photos, like we want to see like desert photos. Simply we can search desert from here. Here are a lot of desert photos which are totally free to use, which you can use on your website, on your channel, or somewhere else, whatever. These are videos. Here are, okay, one more thing. If you are searching something, but you can see here are some pictures which are portrait, which are landscape. So if you want to choose some specific picture, you can actually this is mobile version. If you want to uh, I cannot option find option here, let me check if it is in filter. Yes, on if you want to change orientation, here the option is all orientation. Like if you need horizontal photos only, so you can choose horizontal photos only. You see, all the photos, these are horizontal photos now. There are no vertical photos. Like if the requirement of your website or your app or your channel, it's about vertical, you can simply also see vertical photos here. And all of these options are vertical. You can also vertical photos from here. And the next thing, if you have made an account and you want to upload a picture, simply click on upload button. And here you can see we need to join this account before doing that. And if we have joined this account, we have signed up this account, you can upload your pictures from here. Simply all that you need, if you have just a good camera, and you can make random pictures. Like if you one of your friend is at your home and he is eating something, you can with his consent or with her consent, you can ask that person if you want to retire or not. Like if you can use like if that person is eating something, you can ask for his permission and you can make his picture, his video. Like if you are doing something, like if you are at home and you are doing a gardening kind of work, you can make your own photos, you can make your own your videos, and you can upload here. And there are options to have a lot of views. Maybe sometime it is in millions and billions. Believe me or not, there are some people who have views in billions. They have billions views of their photos. And like if you like this video, we need a horizontal orientation videos. We will select horizontal orientation, and here is the result. Here is the result. Like if you think I need we can select. If you think we need this video from Mart production, and the person is moving on the road in the desert, you can simply, here's an option, you can simply click here to download. Or the other option, simply click on this image, the video will run. And after video will run, you can download it from here. Even you can have some other information about this video or about this image. So this is that video or clip you want to use. We, uh, you can you can download this by clicking over here. And there are options of size, like all sizes, large, medium, small, what kind of size of image you want to use. It will be detailed over here. All right. And one more thing, there are some videos which are not free here. You can simply check whether you want to play whether you want to play a video or you want to download a picture. If it is medically if it is fine, and it's downloading is not restricted. What all you need to do from here, you can simply download those pictures, you can download these videos. And with you just need to give attribution to that creator of that photo or that video. You just need to give them credit that you are using their material, and it's fine, it's not a big deal. It has nothing to do if you are mentioning that we are taking pictures from uh, pexel.com. So it's just simply you need to mention on your website or on your uh, like a YouTube channel or anywhere else where you want to use these pictures. In my next video, I will discuss about more in more details. I will discuss about how to make how to download some other pictures, and I will tell something about the other features of this website, this platform. But believe me, this is a wonderful platform. If you don't have a lot of sources and you want to free resources or something, especially if it is picture or if it is a video, if you want their free resources, you can find from here. And there are other methods to modify online. Simply you can download your desired images, your desired videos directly from pexels.com. Just simply what all you need to do, just put your search item, whatever you want to search, put from here, and you will get option, and you will have a lot of options for downloading pictures and images. So if you find this video informative, just keep watching my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you will get maximum you will get the notification when I'll be uploading any kind of video from a video, and you will get those videos and you can get benefit from those videos. Thank you. I'll see you next time with some new and more exciting video. See you up to then.